Okay, about my pricing experience with CPM, I ended up with with a pricing certification first module. It was extremely useful for me. Yeah, I would say that here I learned out the basics. I learned out different techniques, concepts from other companies, very important from consultants. But I would say that even more important was the networking, because I got in contact with so many pricing guys all over. And then I found out that much more than the theoretical concepts on the really field activities like, these special pricing solutions that were presented, it was much more important to check how really guys are experiencing, what are really doing in different companies, in different industries, what are really the challenges they face, and to try to use that experience also in my business.